This is the common reason why your stomach is bloated and the way to fix it. Helicobacter pylori is a bacteria that is commonly found in the gut. It is the leading cause of gastric ulcers and gastric cancers. Helicobacter pylori are very difficult to cure once they colonize a person's gut. Doctors have to use triple or quadruple therapy of antibiotics to cure it. Sign and symptoms: distension of the stomach ache, belching, indigestion, diarrhea, hard stool, depression, anxiety. Treatments: antibiotic therapy can be used to cure Helicobacter pylori, but we want to share with you a home remedy that has proven effective against this stubborn bacterial. All you have to do is blend lemon, cucumber, and parsley with a tablespoon of ginger and aloe vera parsley, then add little water to the mixture. There you have it, the power drink. Drink it often to get rid of your stomach troubles. This drink will not only help you overcome bloating, but it will also help you to lose weight, especially around your abdomen. It will purge your guts and also boost your immunity, thus making you healthier. Make sure you see a doctor before you try any home remedy. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comment section below.